Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can host a private game on Among Us mobile, and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or iOS device, the process will be the same. So the first step what you need to do here is to, of course, go to Among Us and then press on online. And then, as you can see here, the first option is host, and there is below host there is a button that says create a game. You need to press on that, and then as you can see here, you can select the game map, and then you can select the imposters. You can select 1, 2 or 3. You can select the chat language, for example English, and you can select the max players. So as you can see here, minimum is 4 and the maximum is 10, and once you do that, press confirm. And as you can see here, you hosted a game. And what you need to do here, if you want to invite friends to this particular game, as you can see here below on the bottom, there is a code, and simply what you need to do here is to share this code with your friends, and you and your friends can basically go in this game and play Among Us mobile. Alright guys, so if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.